So that's a very famous car. I know this car because of initial D. So that's why I bring both initial D.
And what's more important than initial D cars?
So
Initial D songs.
oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, we did have a
And
karaoke.
We did have a Hearns karaoke night, and you did a duet with Ninja Will,
Yeah.
didn't you? The initial, I don't know, one of the initial D songs. I don't know what it was.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Hell yeah.
How good was it?
That was rock.
All right, so show us. That's why you got initial D on the brain.
Yeah.
So this is from Fujimi.
Yeah, both of them are from
Both of them from Fujimi.
Yeah, so
And both of them are licensed by Nissan. So they're official products.
official products.
It's going to be really good molds.
Yeah.
So this one here is like a scale. This is a production, is it? The standard version of this car. Is that what you're showing?
I think
Are they the same car?
not. They have slightly different.
Slightly.
So this one is a real car, like real from the real world, right?
Oh yeah, from the real one.
And this one, I think it has some like fictional customizations in there.
Okay.
Because like according to the story, like it's the driver for this Sileighty, the Sato Mako.
Sato Mako?
Yeah. So she did the conversion for the car.
Ah.
So she used the RPS, like the 80.
Yeah, she used the Sylvia front.
Yeah.
And she used the back off of the 180 SX.
Yeah.
And she invented the Sileighty.
Yeah. And this one is actually from Aichi, the one of the province from Japan.
Yeah.
So there is a company called Kids Hut.
Yeah.
They have a pre-feature department doing the late Sileighty. So that's why it's called new Sileighty.
New Sileighty.
Because they're not using any second-hand cars or like the crashed ones.
Okay.
They're using brand new both the S13 and the RPS. They're using brand new. So it's a limited run, like for 500 units.
Is that what you're going to get? Your first car?
I can't afford it.
Is your first car going to be this?
I hope so.
Yeah?
I hope so.
I could see you in a drifter for your first car. You would be a crazy driver.
I'm gonna be.
Did you learn to drive manual?
Yeah.
You did?
Yeah.
There you go. You're going to be drift ready.
Okay. I'm gonna get the road killer or something.
Not at all.
All right. So I actually looked into both of them.
Yeah.
It did use some of the parts like exactly the same.
They did use some of the parts exactly the same.
Yeah, for example, the transparent ones.
So this parts tree is the same parts tree on both kits. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah. That's exactly the same.
So if I did this, it wouldn't upset anyone. Except Kobe. I better not do that.
Yeah, he's going to be mad.
He's going to know for sure.
Yeah.
He's going to know by the smell that I've been in there.
So as you can see, the Mako Sato is pre-colored.
It's blue, right?
Yeah, very pretty blue. Like, I like this color.
But you would still paint it anyway, no?
Yeah.
It's not a Gundam.
It's not a Gundam. Yeah, you're right.
It's not a Gundam. It's designed to be painted.
You're right. Yeah. And you can tell the difference from the back of the...
So different model 180s.
Yeah, different model 180s.
Different model 180s,
That's
right.
I would say that's the most outstanding, like most significant
feature
difference.
in the mold.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. The rest of them, like this kit gives you extra seats. Like
different seats?
Yeah, different seats options. But this one is like only one.
Only one option for the seat?
Yeah, because they're like racing drivers.
A completely different sprue.
Yeah.
For the interior.
Yeah, sure. And they also giving you second option of the
steering wheel.
Yeah.
So you've got a couple of options for steering wheel in this one.
Yeah, very interesting.
And you can make it, I've seen this one, you can make it left-hand drive or right-hand drive.
Yeah.
That's a good feature, isn't it?
And also is that the rim?
That's the wheels.
Oh, the wheels.
Yeah.
Looks different.
They do, different style.
Yeah, different styles. And looks like this one is smaller. Yeah. So they probably change the size for the new series. Yeah. And speaking of the decals, the initial
don't talk to me about water slide decals.
So the initially one, they're giving you the anime version, like
Anime?
the anime, like all the teams, the racing teams
Oh, yeah.
from the anime, and also I think that must be the realistic, like from the
Oh,
real
branding
ones.
and sponsors and stuff.
Yeah.
Whereas the road car does just have a few.
And what we have in the new Sileighty one is like that's the
Number plate.
from IT, like.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So that somehow represents like where it's from. Like,
Where it's from.
Yeah.
That's great, and you can customize it with the different numbers. Obviously, they go on the number plate, right?
Yeah.
That is awesome.
Yeah.
I love it.
Nice.
So you've done your research on this.
I did.
Okay, you definitely did your research on these kits.
Of course, like I'm not that good as recognizing cars, but like
But you did
once
your
I know
research.
it, I know it. Like,
But that's the thing, you love to learn about this, right?
Yeah.
Love to learn.
I'm aiming for expertising all the departments of.
Oh, really? You're going to put us all out of a job? Tony, better be careful. No? Tony, better be careful.
All right. So that's one pair of cars.
Yeah.
Yeah.
One pair.